Hello, welcome to English Talk. Turabashuje kandi tubaha ikaze kuri English Talk. Today we bring you 100 everyday sentences. None tubazaniye interuro ijana zo mu buzima bwa buri munsi. When you know these sentences, you can try to speak English. Umaze kumenya zino nteruro uko ari ijana, ubasha gutangira kuvuga Icyongereza. We shall give you these sentences in different parts. Tuzabaha zino nteruro mu bice binyuranye, part 1 to part 10. Igice cya mbere kugeza ku gice cya 10. This means every part will contain 10 sentences. Bishatse kuvuga ko buri gice kizaba kigizwe n'interuro 10. We remind you to subscribe if you are new to our channel English Talk. Turabibutsa gukora subscribe niba uramutse uri mushya ku ino channel yacu kuno muyoboro wacu English Talk. Welcome. Karibu. Number 1 is I woke up early today. I woke up early today. You remember to repeat after me. Nabyutse kare none. Cyangwa se none nabyutse kare. Mujye mwibuka gusubiramo iyo mvuga mu Cyongereza ibyiza iri kwiga usubiramo. I woke up early today. You can repeat. Nabyutse none kare cyangwa se none nabyutse kare. Number 2. The weather feels good today. The weather feels good today. Ikirere kimeze neza uyu munsi. Cyangwa se ikirere kimeze neza none. Ikirere ni weather. Weather ikirere. When you say weather, izuba riri kuva, it is sunny. Harakonje, it is cold. Imvura iri kugwa, it is raining. Those are different types of weather. Ibyo ni ibihe bitandukanye by'ikirere. Number 3. I need a short moment to think. I need a short moment to think. Nkeneye umwanya muto ngatekereza. Nkeneye umwanya muto wo gutekereza ku kintu wera runaka. Number 3 is I need a short moment to think. I need a short moment to think. Other examples can be izindi ngero zaba I need a short moment to finish this activity. Nkeneye umwanya mutoya nkarangiza kino gikorwa. I need a short moment to take breakfast. Nkeneye umwanya mutoya ngafata ifunguro rya mu gitondo. Number 4. John is waiting outside. John is waiting outside. John is waiting outside. Kavuga gakeya kugira ngo n'abataramenya neza babashe kumva. John is waiting outside. John is waiting outside. John cyangwa se Yohani ategerereje hanze. Yohani ategerereje hanze. Number 5. 5. I forgot my phone in the car. I forgot my phone in the car. Nibagiriwe telefone yanjye mu modoka. Another example, I forgot my phone in the room. Nibagiriwe telefone yanjye mu cyumba. I forgot to shut the door. Nibagiwe gukinga. Number 6. Let's start from here. Let's start from here. Let's start from here. Repeat after me. Let's start from here. Reka duhere hano. Cyangwa se reka dutangirire hano. Let's start from here. Number 7. Please speak a little louder. Please speak a little louder. Please speak a little louder. Okay? Ongera ijwi cyangwa se vuga cyane. Ongera ijwi vuga cyane. Please speak a little louder so I can understand you. Ongera ijwi mbashe kukumva. Number 8. I don't understand what you say. I don't understand what you say. I don't understand what you say. Sinsobanukiwe ibyo uvuga. Ntabwo ndimo ndakumva. Ntabwo ndimo ndakumva. That's an example. The other example, can you please repeat? I don't understand what you say. Wasubiramo, ntabwo numva ibyo uvuga. Number 9. Can you repeat again? Can you repeat again? Can you repeat again? Wasubiramo, ushobora gusubiramo. Can you repeat again, please? I don't get you. Wasubiramo, ntabwo ndimo ndakumva. Okay? Dear students, remember we are now dealing with 100 everyday sentences that can help you start speaking English. Turimo turareba interuro 100 ubasha kumenya ugatangira kuvuga icyongereza. This is part 1 of 10 sentences. Iki ni igice cya mbere cy'interuro 10 za mbere. Number 10 and the last of today, ya 10 kandi ya nyuma none, is we have enough time. We have enough time. Dufite igihe gihagije. We have enough time. Dufite igihe gihagije. Thank you very much for today. We wish you to practice every day, improve every day, learn today, speak tomorrow, succeed always. Learn today, iga none, speak tomorrow, ejo uvuge, succeed always. Kandi uhorane intsinzi, practice every day, uhore witoza, improve every day, kandi uhore utera imbere. We are together with English Talk. Teacher Eliza with you. Thank you very much.